Hey everyone, this is Aaron Muller with Advantage Commercial Brokers. We help people buy and sell businesses in Washington State. Today I want to talk a little bit about auto repair shops. So I'm an expert in auto repair shop sales just because for two reasons. I've been doing it for about 19 years. I've sold over 30 auto shops. Plus I own 3 auto shops myself. So I love the industry. I think it's great for buyers out there. I think it's great for sellers because there's a lot of different types of buyers out there. There's corporate America people. There's other mechanics that just want to get in the business. You don't have to know anything about being in that industry. When I bought it, I knew nothing about it, and I was able to grow my companies very quickly, just giving that good customer service and everything. So if you have an auto shop, what you want to do is make sure a few things are in line. One would just make sure you have enough cars coming in that somebody's going to come in there and they feel comfortable that if they lose some business, they're not going to go down the tubes. Average RO is a big deal. Having the right average RO is important to buyers because it shows that you have a good process in selling to your customers and everything like that. Technicians obviously are a challenge in the industry, but if you have a full crew, that's great, and everything's confidential. So make sure that you understand that, if you talk to us or any other broker out there, they're going to take it very confidentially, and they're not going to, disclose anything about your business being on the market because you don't want to lose those technicians, and I understand that. So typical valuation is going to be, let's say, 2.5 to 3 times owner's discretionary income, and that all depends on a lot of variables like location of the business, the average RO, how many techs you have, how involved you are in that business versus it running itself. So if you want help in this process of understanding what your business is worth, I would love to consult you, give you a free market valuation. All you got to do is go sellmybusinesswa.com, and we can help you out and go over all the details of selling your auto repair shop. Thanks for watching.